This video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to effectively remove the ransomware called Mine. Mine ransomware belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. In fact, there have been a lot of other samples of these DJVU ransomwares before. This Mine ransomware is called Mine because it encrypts files, and then after the encryption it adds a special Mine extension to them. So before the ransomware actually attacks the system, no doubt you can open the files of any types. But this Mine ransomware may be injected into the device because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer. Then pretty soon customers realize that they just cannot use their data anymore. They might restart their computer someday and then suddenly realize that something really bad has happened and that all their files got damaged and encrypted by this ransomware called Mine. The ransomware doesn't really care about what you feel. For instance, you may have some valuable information on your computer, such as pictures of your family. You may have some data that is related to your work or studies or some other valuable information. So the ransomware called Mine actually encrypts all these files that are stored on the system, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. And these are the consequences, the results of the ransomware attack. You can clearly see that now all the files and even their desktop icons have been changed, and when you try to open the specific file, you get the message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Mine extension. Some might think that removing the extension Mine could fix the issue and decrypt the data, but this doesn't work. The files are still encrypted and damaged by this ransomware. First thing we recommend you to do is to check the task manager of your computer carefully. Look for any suspicious processes like this one that could be running in the background. If you find them, right-click on them and end their task. This could help you stop the further file encryption. Considering removing this ransomware called Mine, I recommend you to use a special antivirus software called Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the application and start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database. And definitely this is crucial for proper detection of any malware. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner has been successfully updated, the program begins scanning, analyzing, and researching your computer. Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of identifying and deleting the majority of threats, such as ransomware, adware, browser hijackers, potentially unwanted programs, and other threats. Its feature called anti-ransomware allows you to add one or several folders on your system that can always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of the scanning, you would see the summary of threats. You will be able to know the exact locations of these threats. And we recommend that you upgrade to premium to delete all of them automatically.